Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today we will make detergent cake which are used for washing clothes. I will show you in a very simple and easy way how to make detergent cake. I will show you full practical video, and after completing the video I will tell you the quantity of raw materials. So please watch full video. Don't skip in between the video. So let's go. See, this is caustic soda. It is also called sodium hydroxide. It is easily available in chemical shops, industrial chemical shops. This is acid slurry. It is also called lapsa. You can get it in the industrial chemical shops. Let's start. For that I have taken an empty vessel. See, this is water. You can take RO water or DM water. Please don't take tap water. It will spoil your product. First, I am pouring some water in the vessel. Now I am adding caustic soda in the water. Now mix it properly till all the particles of sodium hydroxide dissolves in water. Now I am adding some water in acid slurry. Then mix it thoroughly till the color changes. Friends, water is less, so I am adding some more water in acid slurry. Friends, remember one thing, whenever you use sodium hydroxide, please follow all the norms, cover all the body parts which are open like eyes, face, hands, because water of sodium hydroxide is very corrosive and even a drop of sodium hydroxide water will burn your skin. After mixing for some time, see the color changes like this. Now mix the water of sodium hydroxide in it very gradually, a little bit at a time. After mixing water of sodium hydroxide, you will notice the texture. It will turn like this. See the texture. I am mixing sodium hydroxide solution gradually. After mixing thoroughly, it will look like this. See the texture. Now I have taken a lid of a box and applied oil in it. You can use any mold of your choice. Silicone molds are also available in the market. They are very good. You can use brush for applying oil or cotton or a plain cloth, anything you want. See, this is silicate powder. I am adding this in this solution. After adding silicate powder, mix it thoroughly. You should not add whole silicate powder at once. Add it a little at a time. Add it very gradually as I have shown in this. This is soapstone powder. In the same way, add it little at a time and add it gradually. This is dolomite powder. It also should be added very gradually, a little bit at a time. This is color. This is water based color and this is food color. You can take any color of your choice. I am taking blue color. Now I am adding fragrance. You can use any fragrance of your choice. Fragrance should be water based. Then mix it thoroughly. Friends, color is a little light, so I am adding some more color in it. Friends, the paste is ready. Now I am pouring in mold. I am leaving it to dry. After drying, I will show you the result. After 2 or 3 days, it will look like this. The color will change. Now I am unmolding it. See the result. Now I will wash this handkerchief and show you. For that I am wetting the handkerchief. Now I am applying soap in this handkerchief. See the foam. Now friends, I am telling you the quantity of raw materials. Please note it down. Caustic soda 50 gram. Add only as much water in which caustic soda dissolves. Don't add more water. Acid slurry 300 ml. In this also add only as much water in which acid slurry dissolves. Don't add more water. Silicate 100 gram. Soapstone powder 300 gram. Dolomite powder 200 gram. The quantity of fragrance and color is according to your choice. You can increase or decrease according to your choice. You can adjust water. If your paste is too thick, you can add some more water. And if your paste is a little thin, you can add some more soapstone powder or dolomite powder in it. So friends, try it, and if you have any queries, you can write down in the comment box. I hope it will be useful for you. If it do, please hit the like button and share my video with all your friends and relatives, and please subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Please press that bell icon also. After pressing bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press all button which is written on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video in future. So friends, now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.